Mike Hughes here. I'm at St. Vincent and in the Grenadines, and I'm here with Vaughn. And Vaughn, you want to tell us a little bit about these islands?
Yes, so Vaughn Martin Serenity dive St. Vincent and the Grenadines, which is a little island in the Caribbean between Barbados and St. Lucia. We're about 133 square miles, right? Just 106,000 population, right? But we're main island is St. Vincent, but you have a chain of 32 other small islands.
Right.
Right. A couple of them are uninhabited. However, they're great for diving and snorkeling. So there are a couple of marine parks. Catering for any kind of thing you want to do. If you're into the hiking, the waterfalls on the mainland, you name it, we have it.
And then now how many dive sites do you think you have that are numbered?
Oh, that are numbered. Probably about, on mainland St. Vincent alone would be probably about 35, 40 dive sites.
Just on the main island, and that doesn't even include the 32 others.
Nope.
And you probably have some private spots that you don't even mention to others.
Yeah, but you can't get that out to me right now. So
okay.
Yeah, you
I thought I could.
You tried. You have to come and visit us, and then we'll probably take you there, depending on your level of diving.
And what you're looking for too. I mean, you probably have a couple spots you go. You want to see seahorses every time.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, so we cater for both the avid, photographer. So you want to see the, critters and the seahorses.
Kind of like these seahorses right here.
Exactly. Yeah. So.
And the frogfish.
And the frogfishes and so on.
And then for wreck dives, which?
Wreck dives, we have actually a dive site, capital.
Right.
So we have about 3 wrecks on one site. So we actually hit the 3 wrecks
on one dive. And that's the one that's multi-tiered, right?
Right. Yeah.
So
the deepest one starts at about 100. Then the next one goes in about 80 feet, and the next one goes up to about between 50 and 60 feet.
So you've done your
cargo vessels, so you could swim through them and they're open, so no obstructions.
Okay. Cool. Anything else we should know about the islands too? Is it Saturday to Saturday, or come anytime you want?
Come anytime you want, all year round, of course. With everywhere you go, you always have to take in consideration the weather. It's in God's hands. So,
right.
So otherwise than that, the temperature is the same all year round.
Well, if you're exploring a cave, you don't care about the weather.
Well,
and if you're underwater, you don't care about the weather?
Depends, because then the visibility might be a little bit off.
Okay.
Yeah, from excess rains that may come.
Oh, yes.
Right? So because we're a very mountainous island, we have a
good hikes.
Hikes and plus rivers. So when we have excess rain, we have to spill off from that.
Yeah.
So that's the only problem.
That's when you do more hikes.
That's when you do more.
And the cave exploration.
Exactly.
Cool. Anything else? Or, if they want to find out more about diving there?
Right. So you could always contact me, the owner of Serenity Dive. So
Serenity
you could
Dive.
Go on our website www.serenitydive.net, or on our Facebook page and see what we do. And we'll go from there. You could drop me an email and get in touch with me.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir.